welcome back. Today we're going to cover Modest Mouse, The World at Large. We're not only going to go into each individual part, there's a couple different overlaying parts. So we'll have the rhythm, we'll have the lead, and then we're going to have the little picking pattern that you just saw that we did there. So we're going to go through all of those parts, and then we're also going to overlay it into a loop. So we're going to see how they all work together. And we'll go through just a couple different ways to play it. So if you did want to just play it acoustic, we'll give you the strumming pattern to go right ahead through that. If you have a loop station and you want to go ahead and recreate what we're doing here, that's awesome too. So it's just going to give you an idea of how each part works together. So let's get in a little closer, and we'll walk through the parts we're going to need to make this song. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and break this song up into just a few different chunks, right? We've got the lead, so we're going to start off with that. And then we have the picking pattern that they do. And then we'll go ahead and give you the rhythm strumming and the percussion. So, and then we're going to put all that together inside of a loop. So the loop station that I'm going to be using today is the Boss RC2. It's a little bit of an older pedal, but it's a really good pedal. Easy to loop, easy to use, very user friendly. So we'll go ahead and loop with that. But so let's go ahead and start off on the lead. What we're going to need to do, again, we have a capo on the 4th fret. So we're going to go ahead and putting this together. We're only going to need 2 strings. We're just going to need the D string and the G string. So we're going to start off for the lead, the intro to this song. That's what we're going to be looking at. So on the G string, 11th fret, we're going to go ahead, we're going to start off open on the D string to the 13th. So we're just going from 11 to 13. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to go up to this chord here, which is just D string, 11th fret, G string, 10th fret. So then again, same pattern, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. So on that and, we're going to lift up our index finger so that open G string rings out. So together, that's going to sound like this. Got it? Perfect. Then we're going to move up to the, well, with respect to the capo, it's going to be the 4th fret on the D string and the 2nd fret on the G string. So back to that chord we came from. Okay, so very simple. 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Perfect. So let's hear what that sounds like when we put it all together. Perfect. So that sounds great. That's going to be the lead intro that we're going to use. Now we'll go ahead and just walk you through the picking pattern that he does. It's very simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The chords actually for the song, if you were to do the rhythm, we're going to go ahead and go through that real quick. D, A, B minor, F sharp minor. So that's it. So yeah, that's it for the chords. So pretty much the picking pattern is just that, but we're just going to use the top 3 strings here, and it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to change like we're doing the A, but we're just playing these bottom 3 strings, or top 3 strings. we're going to go to that B minor, but again, we're just, instead of playing it like this, I'm just using the bottom 3. And then instead of the F sharp minor, again, I'm just using the bottom 3. So that all together is going to sound like this. Perfect. So now that we have that down, we pretty much have all the parts we need in order to create our loop. So we are going to do a little bit of percussion on the guitar here to give it some percussion in the loop. So what I do normally starting the loop, I have those kind of 4 parts in mind, right? You have a rhythm, you have a lead, you have some sort of bass or plucking pattern, and a little bit of percussion. So as long as you put all 4 of those into your loop, I think it's going to sound great. So I always start off with the little plucking pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and create the loop for that now here. So let me go ahead and get the pedal ready here. I'm going to give some reverb to it. Brilliant. That's going to sound really good over this. So let me go ahead and delete the last one I had in there. And we will go ahead and start a new one here. So, all right. Plucking pattern, we're going to go ahead and start with that. Level up a little bit. Awesome, that sounds great. So then we're going to go ahead, move into the rhythm section. Sounds good. Okay, I'm going to walk into that percussion we were talking about. So what I've done is I went ahead and took my pickup to the bridge position, and I'm going to give it a little smack like that right over the bridge pickup. Sound. Perfect. Awesome. So now we can go ahead and kind of play with the leads. I always like to do them last, just because you get to play around with it. Starting to come together, sound really full. And then you can play along with it. Or add in some single strums. I like to change the pickup and the tone, just to get the loops to stand on top of each other. So, yeah. play along to it, just do anything you really want. So that's the loop, that's the song, those are the parts that make it up, and this is what it sounds like when it's all together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think I'll do more like this. This song was kind of simple in the way that it's built, but it sounds really, really cool when it's all together. So you could literally lay this down and start singing right over it. So yeah, it's a great little practice session. So yeah, as always, please like, subscribe, leave me comments. I'm open to taking suggestions and anything like that. So help me keep this channel going by just clicking the subscribe button that's about to pop up. So yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.